Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a proud day to be associated OSM with Marposs, one of the world's leading inspection, testing, production, you name it. The Italian company is on the top of the world. And we at OSM are proud as this country, as this city moves towards green energy and sustainability. Delhi's moving towards completely green energy. We are moving towards logistics, making India green and clean, and Delhi needs it. And I'm very proud to say I'm associated with Marposs under the leadership of Luca, who's been my old friend for a long time. And thank you, Luca, for giving OSM an opportunity. Very much proud to start this with Marposs and bring this to all over the country, specifically in Delhi. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much to you, Dave, for this opportunity, for this partnership. As Marposs, being an Italian European company, we are looking very strongly to the sustainability, and it's for that reason that we took this step forward on having all our Delhi and NCR deliveries done by the OSM electrical vehicle to reduce the strongly pollution that is affecting Delhi area, especially in the winter. And we hope that with our little contribution we'll help on reducing and to increase the cleanest of the air of Delhi, looking always forward to the sustainability. So thank you again for this partnership, and we hope that this will lead other companies follow our example to help the air that everybody knows are breathing every day. Thank you.
I'm proud to say also that Marposs has built, inspection, technology, systems, from anything from the watch to the moon. And as my friend Lucas says, Marposs is going to change the world in terms in this field. And I think for them taking this leadership on making sure Delhi is greener and cleaner is a great step forward. And I completely second what our good friend is saying here, is that other companies should take this upon into themselves. We cannot just clean. Modi ji कहते हैं कि इस देश को clean करना है, तो हम सबको करना पड़ेगा. If we want to make this country greener and cleaner, everybody has to be part of it. And Marposs is taking the leadership, and I hope every one of you join us in this journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.